Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most helpful and fascinating health tips.
Today, we have something truly special in store for you.
We're going to reveal the 3 most powerful vitamins that can protect you from nerve damage. So, if you want to keep your nervous system in tip-top shape, stick around because you won't want to miss this. Before we dive into the vitamins, let's quickly understand why our nerves are so important. Our nervous system acts like a communication network, sending signals between our brain and the rest of our body. It's like the superhighway of information that keeps everything running smoothly. But sometimes, life throws us curveballs, and our nerves can get damaged. That's where these incredible vitamins come into play. Vitamin number 1, ladies and gentlemen, is vitamin B12. Known as the nerve vitamin, this superhero of a nutrient plays a crucial role in maintaining the health of our nerves. It helps in the production of myelin, a protective layer that covers our nerves, preventing any damage. So, if you're experiencing tingling sensations or numbness in your hands and feet, B12 might just be the missing puzzle piece. Now, let's talk about vitamin E, our nerve's knight in shining armor. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that shields our nerves from harmful free radicals. It acts as a bodyguard, defending our nerve cells and keeping them healthy.
If you're looking to add some vitamin E to your diet, reach for foods like spinach, almonds, and sunflower seeds.
And finally, we have vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Did you know that a deficiency in vitamin D has been linked to nerve damage? This incredible vitamin is not only essential for strong bones but also for nerve health. Studies have shown that maintaining optimal levels of vitamin D can help protect against nerve-related conditions. So, make sure to soak up some sunshine or include vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and mushrooms in your diet. There you have it, folks, our 3 powerful vitamins that can help protect you from nerve damage. But remember, always consult with your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or supplementation routine.
And as a bonus tip, let's not forget the importance of a well-balanced diet full of colorful fruits and veggies.
These natural powerhouses are packed with essential nutrients that support our overall health, including our precious nerves. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content.
Stay tuned and stay healthy.
Until next time, take care.